what's happening in the Betway Premiership. So teams are busy preparing themselves for the new season. We've seen lots of signings from different teams. Kaizer Chiefs is one of them. They've signed a new player. His name is Flavio Silva. He was born in Guinea-Bissau, 28 years old or 29 years old. He spends his time or his youth in Portugal for teams such as Mafra and Benfica, where he even went to play for their reserve side. But then during his time as a youth player in Portugal, he didn't really have much to offer here. He didn't really make any impact in Portugal. And then we saw him move away to another league in the Indonesian Super League, where he featured for teams such as Persik Kediri. For Kediri, he appeared 33 times there and scoring 23 goals. What a good return. It looks like there he was finding his feet, Flavio, becoming the back of the net specialist. So, yeah. But then if you look at his stay in Portugal, because last season, for example, in Indonesia, he struggled a bit, making 33 appearances again, but only scoring 9 goals. That was last season. So he sort of struggled. But then if you compare the two, his time during his youth days in Portugal, yeah, maybe because Portugal is a very competitive league that side, he struggled there, and looks like he found his feet in Indonesia. But the Indonesian league and the Portuguese league, not the same leagues, and also they're not the same leagues as the Betway Premiership. So for the Betway Premiership, I'll say there will be more pressure for him. The question is, can he withstand the pressure and deliver, you know? Yeah, it will be interesting to see if Flavio can become one of the top strikers in the league. If you look at his qualities, he's